So, what unique challenges and opportunities do waterfront and summer homes present in today's market?
Oh, man. Well, I do live on the water. That's why you put that I specialize in waterfront. I do a decent amount. I'd like to do a ton more. One of the reasons I can't do as much as I want always because it is, I don't want to say seasonal, but it's economic too, right? Like adult communities seem to be working very consistent. People are dying in good economies and bad economies. So those houses are coming on the market no matter what happens. Waterfront's a little different. We had that boom for 5 years because of telecommuting and people just not having to go back to their office. So being that I live on the water, I know the challenge. And I know it's a little harder to live on the water, but and I'm sorry if I'm just rambling on a little bit, Rich. It's just waterfront is my passion. I really like doing that the most. But can you just repeat what you were saying or your question? I'm sorry, I got off topic.
So, what unique challenges and opportunities do waterfront and summer homes present in today's market?
Yeah, so right now the biggest thing, like I was saying with the water, you're dealing with flood insurance, right? That just went up. It went up for me. So what people don't always realize is if it's a second home, right, your flood insurance, there's a premium on that, so you're paying more for that. The maintenance is a lot more when you're dealing with waterfront as a second home, right? The salt seems to destroy everything at a much faster rate than your normal home, most likely.
So more maintenance and more upkeep.
Yeah, and a lot of the stuff that we'll deal with, I'll give an example. I have all rocks in my house, right? You want rock because if you have grass, you don't realize it, but now you're going to have all the birds and the geese will be sitting there. So people don't know that, and you got to talk to them about that. Not to mention, like when I lived here on the water, it's Sandy. So when Sandy happened, I knew the road you couldn't get down when that flood was here. So I would tell people, "You sure you want to be down there?" Because when Sandy was here, you couldn't get to that house. So there's a lot more. It's not just, let's just buy this house. We got to say, hey, what's your base flood elevation? Well, what's that bulkhead like? What's the even the roads getting to your house could be newer, but at the end of a peninsula like mine is, but I couldn't get to my house for Sandy for 2 days because it was underwater the road. Wow. So there's a lot more that goes into that.